Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to discuss how to create line and stacked column chart in Power BI. For this, we will go in Power BI. To create any new chart in Power BI, make sure that you click on the white portion of the canvas. Now, we want to create this chart. Click here. So, we will first specify the x-axis. So, let's select the category. In column y-axis, we'll pick up the sales. In line y-axis, we'll pick up the profit. So sales and profit is a quantitative data. Category is a qualitative data. In column legend, again, we will select the categorical data, which is segment. In small multiples, we'll pick up the region. Now activate the focus mode. So you can see here that line and stacked column chart is ready. Now in the legend, if you click on any of one of the segment, so consumer, corporate, home office, and sum of profit. Now again click on segment. We'll format this visual. So in format visual, we are having visual settings and general settings. So first we will activate x-axis. Now you can change the font, increase or decrease the size of the font. Just see. Furniture, office supplies, their font size is changing. We can bold it. We can change the color. Now click on the title. If I want to insert any text, then let's say I want to enter here sales according to the segment. So I can insert this text here. So it will appear. We can change its color. So we'll minimize this. Now I'll request all my viewers to kindly refer my previous video to understand the flow of these tutorials, because all these topics I have discussed in my previous videos. Activate y-axis. Minimum and maximum range is specified. This one. If I change it, see the changes which are happening. Again, I convert it into 0. Invert the range. Shared y-axis. So at present, this chart is sharing this y-axis. If I off it, then these numbers will appear in the center also. Activate the values. We can change the color of these values. Let's take the another color, the blue color. You can see the color has changed. We can also change its display units. It's in millions. We can make it thousands. How many decimal places we want, that can also be adjusted. Switch axis position. So the axis, both the axes will be switched. Sum of sales is here and sum of profit is here. Switch the axis position. So sum of profit will appear here and sum of sales will appear here. Title. Do I require any title on y-axis? If yes, then enter it. Otherwise, no. Activate the secondary y-axis. We can change the secondary y-axis also. See this, which is sum of profit. We can change it. If you don't want to change it, keep as it is. Align zeros. If you want, you can align zeros, otherwise not. Values. Now the color of this can also be changed. This is a secondary y-axis. So let's select another color, that is, and see the color has changed. Legend. Legend at present is on top left side. What are the options available? All these options are available. Let us convert this into the top center. Got it. The legends for the style is marker circle default. We can change this also. We want only marker, or we want line, or we want line and markers. So keep On default, marker, circle default, match line colors. If you off it, then the circle will not match with the line colors. On, it will match. Text. So, do you want to change the color of this text or increase or decrease the font size? This can be done from here. So, the color can also be changed. Title. It's written segment. Do I want to include any wordings? Segment wise. At any moment of time, if you want to reset to the default settings, just press it and reset to default. Now we will activate small multiples. So this layout is 2 by 2. We can change it and make it 3 by 3, or we can make it 1 by 3, 3 by 1. All these combinations are possible. So 2 by 2. Now increase or decrease the padding. By increasing the padding, the white space in the chart will increase. See, it's increasing. Now let's talk about the border. This border in the center. At present, it is horizontal and vertical. If I require borders on all the four sides, click all. You see the border has appeared. It's a solid line. We can change its color and we can increase or decrease the line width. Title. So the title, the central, east, west, south is at top position. You can take it at bottom and you can bring it in the center. Moreover, color, so font color can be changed. You can make it bold, italic. Let's convert this into italic. Background. Now I can change the background of this small multiples also. So let's pick up one color. Increase the transparency. Do we require a grid lines or not? So if I switch it off, this grid lines, the dotted grid lines will disappear. We don't require a grid lines. Activate the columns. You can change the color of this bars 1, 2, 3. The stack order can also be reversed. By increasing this value, the inner padding, the white space will increase. See. Activate the lines. So at present, we are having a solid line. You can convert this into dashed, dotted. You can increase or decrease the stroke width. Do you require a smooth line, step, or linear? So normally we go for a linear only. Colors, the color of this line can also be changed. Do you require shading area or not? So if I activate the shading area, see this spacing, minimum category width, how much spacing we want, markers on it. Do you require this markers? What is the type of the marker we want? So let's select this. We can increase or decrease the size of it. Colors, the color of the markers can also be changed. Let's take the another color. Data labels, on it, data labels will appear. So what is the orientation? Horizontal. Can we change? We can make it vertical. So let's at present keep horizontal only. Position is inside N, inside center. Where do we want to keep? Inside base. So at present we will select auto only. Position line, above, under, values. So we can change the color of these values. Let's pick up another color. See this, the value has changed. The color of the value has changed. Display unit, It is in thousands. You can convert it into millions, billions. How many decimal places you want? Background. Do we require any background? Color. So I can pick up the gray background of these values. At any moment of time, if you want to reset to the default settings, just press it and it will be reset to the default settings. So make sure data label is on. Series label. So this is the series label we get. We don't require, switch it off. Moreover, the color of this series label can be changed. The background can be changed of this series label, of it, plot area background, browse. Now I can attach any image file here, open. So this was visual setting. Now we will go in general. Click on back to report, activate the properties. The height can be increased or decreased. See the changes which are happening here. Width can be increased or decreased. Position. By increasing this number, the chart will shift on right hand side. By increasing this number, it will shift the bottom. Padding. If I increase this number, the inner chart, this chart will move on the right hand side. This will shift the chart towards left hand side. This will shift the chart towards bottom. This will shift the charts towards the top. Title. So it is written sum of sales and sum of profit. I'll remove this sum. We only want sales and profit by category, segment, and region. Do you want to change the color? Yes. So I'll pick up the color from here. What is the background color which we want? Let's pick up let us pick up this yellow color. Horizontal adjustment, yes. Make sure that the text wrapping is on. If you off it, it will be in one line. If it is on, the text wrapping will happen. Do we require subtitle? At present, no. If it is necessary for you, on it and write the subtitle. Now activate the divider, on it. So this is the straight line is your divider. Its color is black. Just increase its width. Now activate the spacing. So if I increase this, the white space between the title and the chart will increase. Effects, background. Let us pick up a background. Light background will pick up. Transparency will reduce it. Visual borders on. So this border, we are talking about this border. Do we require the rounded corners? If yes, just see the corners are now rounded off. Do you require the shadow? Activate it. The shadow will appear. You want outside or inside shadow? Keep it outside, bottom right. And you can select the color of the shadow also. Header icons. So it is related to this. I already discussed about the header icons in my previous videos. Kindly refer. So if I change the background of this, see the border, black color, icon, the color of the icon, reset to default. Make sure that in icons all these things are on. So now our chart is ready. Activate the focus mode. Now you can export this data in CSV format. Show as table, the table will appear. The layout can be changed. Sorting can be done according to the region, sum of profit, sum of sales. So if I activate sum of profit, so it will automatically, it has selected descending. You can change it to ascending. Sort axis. So if I select category, the sorting of the axis will be done in ascending or descending manner. Sort legend, it will be done for the segment, ascending or descending. Now, if you want to expand these categories or collapse all these categories, just click on these three dots, expand all categories or collapse all categories. So this was all about line and stacked column chart in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to share and like this video. You can also follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link is given in the description box.